Hello, I'm Dr. Umashankar Venkatesh. I'm currently a professor of marketing at the Great Lakes Institute of Management, Gurgaon. I'm also director for the one-year flagship program of Great Lakes Institute of Management, which is called the PGPM, or the Postgraduate Program in Management. My interest largely lies within marketing in the area of consumer behavior. And the reason why that is an area of interest for me for long is because it tries to understand, explain, and shape consumption behavior across different social strata. And it tries to explain how people consume and what are the patterns they're in, and what are the core reasons why they behave in a particular manner in which they behave. Coming to the postgraduate program of management in Great Lakes Institute of Management, Gurgaon, this is our flagship program, and this attracts people with work experience to the program. And my biggest satisfaction is that how within 1 year we are able to shape people with some work experience into career pathways that are quite transitional and which are a quantum leap over what they had originally come with to the program. My biggest satisfaction for the last 30 years as an academic has been engaging with students in the classroom and engaging in one-to-one interactions and seeing their lives change and playing a small part in that change in their lives. In my classroom and in my teaching learning journey, I have found storytelling and discussions based on storytelling as one of the key ways in which effective transmission of learning has happened, and I follow that a lot. And to help me in that process, I keep writing small cases, caselets, and articles based on contemporary marketing events, which students go through, and we are able to then connect with the practice part of whatever we are discussing in the classroom as concepts and theories. And to me, therefore, it is one of the best methods I have found, at least in the area of marketing, for students to learn from. To summarize a couple of the core values that I would like to talk about, I always discuss this with students. The first one is to have a can-do attitude, and students sometimes get too mystified or engaged with this concept of pedigree. And I think it is diligence, hard work, application, and having a work ethic which creates your own pedigree for your own self, and you are able to solve problems, and that's your pedigree that you get to known with rather than where you have come from. Second core value that I keep talking to them about is that marketing is not merely a tool to chase what I call unsustainable profits. Marketing, I think, is a powerful engine to sort of look at what I call sustainable surpluses and generation of surpluses for societies, rather than for only having a myopic view of surpluses in the context of profits.